Creating a stylish and comfortable space is an exciting journey that begins with understanding your personal aesthetic. Begin by gathering inspiration from various sources such as magazines, websites, or even social media platforms. Look for color palettes, textures, and arrangements that resonate with you. This initial exploration sets the foundation for your decorating adventure and helps you pinpoint what truly appeals to your sense of style. Once you have a solid inspiration base, it's time to assess your existing space. Take note of the room's layout, natural light, and architectural features. This awareness allows you to capitalize on the strengths of your space while considering any limitations. Identify any elements you wish to update or change, such as old furniture or outdated paint colors. A deep understanding of your space enables you to create a design that feels cohesive and welcoming. Color plays a vital role in home decorating, impacting mood and atmosphere. Choose a color scheme that reflects your personality, whether it's calming blues, vibrant reds, or earthy neutrals. It's often effective to select one main color and a few complementary shades for accent pieces. Paint the walls or invest in colorful decor items that harmonize with your chosen palette. Remember, color can dramatically change the perception of space, making it feel larger or more intimate based on your choices. Furniture selection is where functionality meets aesthetics. Choose pieces that not only look good but also serve a purpose. Consider the scale of the furniture in relation to the room size. Too large can make a space feel cramped, while too small can make it feel sparse. Mixing textures through various materials like wood, fabric, and metal can also add interest and depth to the decor. Aim for a balance between comfort and style, ensuring that each piece invites relaxation and enhances the overall design. Accessorizing is the final touch that truly brings a space to life. Incorporate artwork, throw pillows, and plants that echo your theme. Personal touches, like family photographs or travel souvenirs, infuse warmth and character into your home. Additionally, consider layering different lighting sources. Overhead fixtures, floor lamps, and candles create ambiance while enhancing the beauty of your decor. In conclusion, home decorating is a delightful exploration of creativity tailored to your preferences. By starting with inspiration, assessing your space, selecting a cohesive color scheme, choosing the right furniture, and accessorizing thoughtfully, you'll create a stylish and comfortable haven that reflects who you are. Enjoy the process and embrace the transformation of your space into a true reflection of yourself. Like and subscribe